Hi everybody, and welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I'm thinking about changing the name of my channel to Vanessa's Van Life Journey. Let me know what you think about that in the comments bar below. But I am here today with a van life haul. This is stuff that I need for the van life. I'm currently working on the van, converting the van into a livable place so I could do van life. So let me tell y'all the things that I got. I will be doing a unboxing on these items and using these items very soon, but I just want to show you guys what I got. So let's start on the end. So can y'all see it fine? So I got some reflectives. I'm going to be using this to make me some blackout blinds for the window. I made some before, but they didn't come out quite right, and the magnets didn't stick. I trashed them, so I ordered some more magnets from Amazon, and I bought another roll of this, so hopefully this works out. I got some Ajax because I'm going to be making some panels for my doors today, and I want to clean the doors really good before I put those panels on. I will be needing a jigsaw. So I have this battery operated jigsaw. The battery is not included, but I do have some batteries with the rest of my other tools that I bought recently. I know I'm going to get a lot of people in the comments to tell me about this, but guys, I've used this thing before, and I also used it in a closed environment before, and I'm still here, I'm still alive. So this is the Mr. Heater. This is, what do they call this thing? Ooh, I hope ain't nothing broken. But this is a propane heater, and it goes directly on top of the propane container. So I've used this before in an enclosed space to stay warm during the wintertime, and this is the cheapest thing that you can get to pretty much start van life and stay warm in the wintertime. So I'm using it. I used it before. I'm still alive. We're gonna see if I make it. And you guys, I needed some installation for the door panels that I'm making. I'm going to insulate inside of the door panel, so you'll see me use that later on today. And last but not least, I bought a propane tank. I was going to say something, but never mind. I had to purchase a propane tank. They are $49.99 at Home Depot, filled and ready to go. And the next time when you get ready to get some more propane, you just swap it out, and it's going to be cheaper. I do have a place locally that I can get the propane filled up and get the tank filled up for $12. So I will be, is this thing still? Y'all, I don't know why I thought this thing had stopped. So I will be getting this filled up, refilled somewhere else for $12. I'm going to need another one for my stove when I get my stove. So you guys, that is it for my van life haul, things that I needed recently. I've been buying a lot of different stuff here and there. I will be doing some reviews on some of the stuff that I purchased recently. I'll do a review on this, but I'm going to do an unboxing on this and assemble it and show you how easy it is to put together. Also, I'll do an unboxing on the drill and show you how easy it is to put together. And if you guys have any questions about anything else, I will be happy to do a video. So don't forget to thumbs up the video. Leave lots of comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, turn on a notification bell, and be sure to hit always and come back for another video. And let me know, do you like the name that I'm thinking about renaming the channel, Vanessa's Van Life Journey? I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.